Number 3, we have 6 parts. So it says the null mean is equal to 100, alternative not equal to 100. So this is a two-tailed test. A simple random sample size 16 obtained from a population known to be normally distributed. We're going to answer parts A through E. We're going to find the test statistic first. We're going to go to stat. We're going to go to T, student T distribution summary, mean 105.1. Standard deviation, S equals 9. Sample size was 16. Mean equals 100 versus not equal to, which is already not equal to 100. We don't load the level of significance yet. We're just finding in the test statistics so we can compute, and we get our T-stat. It is 2.267 when rounded, 2.267. Researcher decides to test at alpha equals 0.01. So we're going to go to options, edit, and we're going to say critical value 0.01. Two-tailed test. So our critical value is 2.947. 2.947. .947. We do have the two-tail. Level of significance 0.01. Oh, the critical values are, so they want both of them, sorry. 2.947, that's the difference. And we want a negative 2.947. There's two of them. So I got to do negative 2.947. Just didn't read that. Sorry. And then the distribution is going to be a two-tailed test. Will the researcher reject the null? So when you compare this, if the test statistic is larger than this, we will reject it. The test statistic is less than, so it's outside the critical region, so we will not reject. Not enough evidence for the researcher to reject the null since the test statistic is in the rejection region. No, not enough since the test statistic is not in the rejection region. So the test statistic is smaller than the critical value. Construct a 99% confidence interval. So it's the same information. We're going to go to options, edit. We're going to tell it to do a confidence interval 99%. So change this to 0.99 and we will compute that. Gives us a lower and an upper limit, and we'll get the same result. If you look, 98 to 111, the 100 is inside of that, so that means it's within the limit, so we will not reject the null, which means it could be equal because it's in that region. So 2 decimal places, 98.47, 98.47. Upper limit 111.73, 111. Do not reject, since the confidence interval, based on the confidence interval, because the hypothesized value of mean equals 100 is inside the interval. So if it falls outside the region, we would reject.